I have 3 packages. It's a steam in the bag, garlic and herb, rice cauliflower. 10 ounces. It looks like that's the garlic and herb pieces. So I got 30 ounces, and it's time to walk it up. I was going to put some coconut oil. I guess I don't need it with this. So we're going to try to caramelize this, so wait for it. In about 5 minutes, everything's starting to melt, and we decided we're going to do something. I had some leftover butter. We're going to butter and cheese this up. We call that take it to the next level. Alright, so we're going to stick the butter in the middle. This was in the fridge, so it's breaking up pretty easy. Stick that on the bottom. Butter's a good fat. It helps the cheese adhere much better. As you can see, it's starting to come together. It's also going to help with the caramelization of the cauliflower. So that's 5 minutes in. I could still feel it a little frozen, but most of the herb and garlic has melted. So wait for it. It's been about 3 minutes and all the butter is melted. Oh, nice. Didn't look at the ingredients on the herb and garlic. Oh, I wish I had pumpkin seed powder. I'm all out. Nice and wet. That'll hold a lot of cheese. So we're not going to caramelize it. We're just going to cook it real good. Look at all the colors in there. All right, back to the fire. Wait for it. I hear sizzling. It's been another 5 minutes. Cauliflower is perfectly cooked. I have about, it's an 8 ounce, 2.5, 3. This is a Parmesan Romano. Oops, Houston, we have a problem. Alright. Really wish we had some pumpkin seed powder. We have other cheeses we could have put in here. But that should be enough. Still a little moisture. Definitely wish we had pumpkin seed powder. If we were doing sushi with this, we'd throw in some wasabi. But we're not doing sushi. Once this cools down, it'll definitely thicken up. And this is why you come to my channel. Vegetarian. I don't do many vegetarian, but oh, I really wish I had something to thicken this with. Ooh! Shiitake mushroom powder. Do not Google shiitake mushroom powder cures. This will absorb all the oil. That looks like about 4 tablespoons. That'll get rid of all the oil, or most of it. Alright, let's just let it sit, wait for it. Gave it 5 minutes and look at that. That's almost sushi grade with fat. Still wish we had some pumpkin seed powder. First time I'm ever doing rice cauliflower. Once that cools off, oh man. Beautiful, right? We're not going to even taste it because we know it's good to go. Yummy, love you.